Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is editing a document in Word 2016. So now we have very well knew how to type a document. Now it's time to edit the document, that is, let's do some formatting. We will make our document look appealing, customize it. We will make our document look appealing before we print it. So let's begin with what is editing? Selecting text, inserting text in an existing document, deleting text from an existing document, using undo and redo commands, cut, copy and paste commands, formatting text, clear formatting, page formatting, printing the document. Let's just start the chapter.
What are you doing? I am doing some changes in my document for its final print. Microsoft Word is the word processor included with the Microsoft Office software suite. In its capacity as a word processor, Word can be used to create anything as small as a business card to novels containing thousands of pages. What is editing? To make changes in a document is called editing. The main components of editing are inserting text, deleting text, and making changes to the text so that it can be error-free, easy to understand, and presentable. Selecting text. Besides entering text, selecting text is probably the most common task for most Word users. Almost every task begins by selecting something. Perhaps that's why there are so many ways to select text. Selecting with a mouse. Click at the beginning of the text to select. Then hold down the left button of the mouse and drag it. Keep dragging till the end of the text to select and release the mouse button. The highlighted text we see is the selected text. Selecting with a keyboard. First, bring the cursor to the beginning of the text to select. Do this by using the arrow keys. Then hold down the Shift key and move the cursor using the arrow keys to select the text. Finally, release the Shift key when the required text has been selected. The highlighted text is the selected text. Inserting text in an existing document. Open the document. Click at the place you want to add the text, to bring the cursor there. Then type the new text and save the file. Deleting text from an existing document. Open the document. Select the text to delete. Press the delete key. Using undo and redo commands. The undo command in Word 2016 undoes anything we do in Word, which includes formatting text, moving blocks, typing and deleting text, etc. It is a very useful command if we have performed an incorrect action by mistake. It can be used as many times as we want. To reverse the last action, click on the undo button on the quick access toolbar. The redo command is used to reverse the action of the undo command. It can be used only when you have used the undo command. To use this command, click on the redo button on the quick access toolbar. Using the cut command. This command is used when we want to cut the selected text in a document. We can paste this cut text either in the same document or in another document by using the paste command. Using the copy command. This command is used when we want to copy the selected text in a document. We can either paste this copied text in the same document or in another document by using the paste command. Using the paste command. This command is used when we want to paste the text that has been cut or copied to a new location. We can paste the same text any number of times we want. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Select the words. Click on the cut button. Click at the beginning of the sentence. Press the space bar key once to give a space. Click on the paste button. Formatting text, making changes in the text or document so that it could look more attractive and beautiful is called formatting. Changing the font of the text. Select the text you want to change to a different font. Click on Home tab. Click on the down arrow of font. Click on the font you want to use. The text that you have selected changes into the new font. Now, Deselect the text by clicking outside the selected area, changing the size of the text. Select the text you want to change. Click on Home tab. Click on the down arrow of font size. Click on the size you want to use. The text that you have selected changes into the new size, changing the color of the text. Select the text that you want to format. Click on Home tab. Click on the down arrow of font color. Click on the desired color. Word 2016 will apply that color to the text, changing the text to bold, italic or underlined. Select the text that you want to format. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on one of the following buttons. Bold, italic, underlined. The text that you have selected appears in the new style. Highlight the text. Click on Home tab. Click on Text Highlight Color button. A color palette will pop up. Click on the color you would like to use for highlight. The mouse pointer changes when it comes over the document. Select each area of text that you want to highlight. When you have finished highlighting the text, press the Escape key. Text alignment. Select the text that you want to align. Click the appropriate button in paragraph group as shown below. Clear the formatting. Select the text from which you want to clear the formatting. On the Home tab, in the font group, click Clear Formatting. The Clear Formatting command will not remove the highlighting from the text. To clear highlighting, select the highlighted text and then click the arrow next to Text Highlight Color and click No Color. Page Formatting. Inserting column. Select the text. Click on the Columns button. A drop-down menu displays the choices of columns. Select the number of columns you would like to insert in the document. If you want to customize the columns, then click on the More Columns option in the drop-down menu. The Columns dialog box will appear. Define the desired settings and click OK. To insert the column break, place the cursor where you want the column to break. Click on Breaks in the Layout tab. A menu with options will appear. Click Column. A column break is inserted, creating header and footer. Double-click anywhere on the top or bottom margin of the document. The header or footer will open and a Design tab will appear on the right side of the ribbon. The insertion point will appear in the header or footer. Type the desired information into the header or footer. When you are finished, click Close Header and Footer. Alternatively, we can press the Escape key. The header or footer text will appear. Line spacing and paragraph spacing in document. Select the text. Click on the Paragraph dialog box launcher. The Paragraph dialog box will appear. Select the Indents and Spacing tab and then select the required line spacing option under the Spacing section. Click OK to set the paragraph setting. Select the paragraph before and after which you want to change the spacing. Click on the Paragraph dialog box launcher button on the Home tab. The Paragraph dialog box will open. Select the Indents and Spacing tab. Enter the required spacing in the before and after spin boxes under the Spacing section. Click OK. Printing the document. Click on the File menu and select the Print command. Choose the printer from the Printer Properties drop-down list. Under the Settings section, click on the arrow next to the Print All Pages to choose any given option. Selecting the Print All Pages option that prints the entire document. Selecting the Print Selection option that prints only the selected text from the document. Selecting the Print Current Page that prints only the selected page from the document. Choosing the Custom Print option that prints the specified range of pages from the document. After selecting all the required options, click on the Print command.